You're having a few guests over this evening to watch the events with you and would like to add another appetizer to your table. Well, we got you covered here at The Side Guy Cooks with Calypso Chicken Wings. So let's get started. Let's create the Calypso Seasoning. Now let's prepare the chicken wings. Set the timer for 50 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Let's make the Calypso sauce. Calypso cuisine is the cuisine of the Caribbean, in particular Trinidad and Tobago, and is known for its bold spices, hot peppers, and tropical fruits. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Those look great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion on a plate. Let's try one with the Calypso sauce. Wow, the combination of bold Calypso seasoning with the spices, hot peppers, and tropical fruit creates an amazing wing I'm sure everybody will enjoy. And they'll be begging you to make more during your next event. Post your comments and or questions below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. Head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Everybody's having a great time and the table looks amazing. Stay with us. Watch another video.